أهلا بيكم. النهاردة الدرس رقم 62 من دروس تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية. وهنتعلم إزاي أستخدم الكونكتور في المقارنة، سواء مقارنة بين أشياء أو بين الناس. Hello and welcome. Today is lesson 62 and I am going to talk about how to use connectors to make a comparison. In other words, how to use connectors to show the differences or the similarities between people or things. So let's start. زي ما احنا شايفين قدامنا connectors or conjunctions. Okay, comparison. I use these connectors to make a comparison, and it's written in Arabic مقارنة أو مفاضلة. Okay. These connectors can be used to make a comparison. In other words, it can be used to show the differences and the similarities between people or things. Okay. A connector example is not so as, then, the more, the less. All right. The first one, as is. Okay, we read the sentences to show how to use the connector. He is as clever as his brother is. I can write is or not. It's up to you, all right? So it's written between brackets. ممكن is دي أحطها أو ممكن لا. He is as clever as his brother. She is as pretty as her mom. Is or not. He is as tall as I am. I can say that, or he is as tall as me. Okay, notice that I has idiomatically changed to be me. Okay, notice that I has idiomatically changed to be me. So it can be as I am or as me, all right? But idiomatically means إن الناس اصطلحت على هذا التعبير خلاص. Okay, it's a common expression. It means it's a common expression. Clinton is as intelligent as his father is, or not is. So Clinton is as intelligent as his father. I can write is or not, but I show you, okay, the right thing, or should be like this or not, all right? Next one, not so as. He is not so clever as his brother. She is not so pretty as her mom. He is not as tall as I am. He is not as tall as me. So it can be I am or me. Okay, what is the difference between them? This is idiomatically. Okay, idiomatically, it means it becomes a common expression. Notice that I has idiomatically changed to be me. Clinton is not as intelligent as his father. Then, okay, then he is cleverer than his brother. Is or not, it's up to you. Janet is prettier than Susan. Clinton is more intelligent than David. I am taller than he is, or I am taller than him. Notice that he idiomatically changed to be him. All right? Okay. The more, the more. The more you work, comma, the more you gain. The more a man knows, the more he sees his ignorance. The more we study, the more we discover our ignorance. The more things a man is ashamed of, the more respectable he is. The more the well is used, comma, the more water it gives. The greater the man, the more restrained his anger. The more, the less. Okay, the more, the less. The more fruit and vegetables you eat, the less chance you have of getting cancer. The more I thought about it, the less I liked the idea. The more exercise you do, the less tension you have. The more you laugh, the less you will be ill. The more you go jogging, the less you feel stressful. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I always wish you all the best. See you soon, and goodbye.